So now let's see how we can work around with code block inside of wordpress.com's editing area. So to do that, let me just go around over here and hover over until I get the add block option. So over here, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, a code right here. So if I were to go ahead and type in code just like this, then you can see that code actually pops up right here. So now you can simply go ahead and type in a code as you want. Let's just go around. For example, I'm just going to go around and type in my HTML code. So you got the code formatting, as you can see right here, just like this. And then let me just go around, let's say, for example, go around, press space right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and say head right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around over here, head right here, just like this. And then I'm simply going to go around over here and type in, let's say, body right here, just like this. And there you go. So you can see that you get the code format right here, just like this. And there's a perfect alignment of it right here as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. And let me just go around over here and type in title, let's say, for example, around over here as well. And then over here, you can see that I can say sample title right here, just like this. And this is the code that you have, as you can see. You can go ahead over here and even bold out the codes, as you can see right here, just like this, and so forth right here, just like this as well. So I can go around over here, bold it out right here, bold it out, and let's say, for example, italicize it out. You can even go ahead and add in links and then access out different sort of the options right here for editing as well. So this is what you have, and you can go ahead and align it out for max width right here, as you can see, just like this, and for none as well. And of course, you can go ahead and change it out as well, and even turn it out into a regular paragraph, or just go around, turn it out into a code block once more. Again, you can go ahead and drag it out just like with any other block and access out other block properties as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then change around the code block and work around with it inside of wordpress.com's editing area. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.